Okay folks, back once again with another video. My name's Busy Bee. I'm a producer from the early hardcore techno, for those who don't know me, blah blah blah. Anyway, I want to make a series of videos about how to make your breakbeat sound better. We're going to be covering compression, editing, and all sorts of good stuff. Now, what I wanted to discuss today is the importance of start point editing on your samples. Now, it's a really important factor. Sometimes to the untrained ear, you don't quite notice it, but if you've got a start point that's a little bit off, it can make all the difference with how your break sounds tidy. So I'm going to play you a beat now, and I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So here we have an Amen in renoise. Now, what I'm going to do now is, this is a snare drum on the Amen, and I'm going to start to show you now, when I move this start point back, the difference that it makes to the quality of your edits, right? Now, even that, sometimes I hear it like this in a few Bod's songs, right? And I wanted to point that out, guys. When you're working on your beats, make sure that your snares are tight. Zoom in on the actual waveform. You'd be surprised to see how, you know, some people don't actually do this. And get that snare hitting tight. Let's zoom in on that snare again. Right, here we go. Right, and now, even if it's a little bit forward, the snare will start sounding weird. Look, watch. The best place for it is right here, right at the start of that snare piece, yeah? Let's just quickly do the same with the kick drum and have a look at that as well. Yeah, this one, we'll do this one, look. And that's what you don't want, right? So that's my quick tip. It's a 3-minute video just to show you little tips on how to make things better. If you like this content and want to see more videos like it, including covering all sorts of quick tips on advanced stuff, please smash that like button, guys, and I'll do more stuff. Make sure you subscribe. That's it for today's video. Peace out.